this system that I've created called football formation asset allocation. And so think of it like investing around a football team. So if you live a good life, you live to 90 years old, like 90 minutes on the pitch. If you score a goal, money goes into your pocket, and if you concede a goal, money goes out of your pocket. And it's basically investing around a system that's right for you. So if you're older, for instance, you could take more of a defensive strategy. If you're younger, you could take a much more attacking a strategy, and you can basically build your portfolio around what's important to you, around your life goals and your aims and aspirations. So yeah, let's get right into it. So essentially, this is the perfect formation, and I've created. So this is called the football formation, and think of it, each player is like an asset class. So the pound coin in your back pocket is an asset that's getting eroded by inflation every day. So the pound coin in your back pocket is losing money if it's not invested. And the house that you sleep in, that is an asset class. So either you're renting and you're paying money to a landlord, or if you own that property, then that will go up in value over historical long-term averages, or you may be renting that out, your room out, and that's money coming into your pocket, and that is an asset. So that's two asset classes. Another one might be businesses. So walk down a high street and there's businesses. Part of those profits when you buy something go to the shareholder and they get paid in dividends. So this is essentially different asset classes, and each asset class have different strengths and different weaknesses, and they have like personality types depending on the different asset classes essentially have different personality types depending if they're defense, midfield or attack.